welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be creating this makeup look, very summery. Technically it's still winter, but down here in Texas, it's 90 degrees, so might as well be summer. Shit. Here's a close-up of the look. I played with some products that I hadn't touched in a while, as well as two new products. In this video, I will be reviewing the Milani Highlighter Blending Brush. And this is what it looks like. And you know I could not get a new highlighter brush without picking up a brand new highlight. So I picked up the Maybelline New York Master Chrome in 050 Molten Rose Gold. And in the video, I will give you a breakdown as far as the pricing and where I purchased these items from. But again, here's a close-up of the makeup look. And if you're interested in how I created this look, then just keep watching. For today's makeup look, I will mostly be using L.A.Colors babyPOP in matte eyeshadows. These are only $1 at Dollar General, and they're definitely worth checking out. I'm blending the L.A.Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden into my crease using my E.L.F contour brush. I primed with the Ruby Kisses 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. Now taking my Aloe E113, I'm applying the L.A.Colors babyPOP eyeshadow in the shade Golden to the outer half of my lid. Now taking my Aloe E122, I'm applying the L.A.Colors babyPOP shade in Teal Steel on the inner portion of my lid, and I did wet my brush for both of the shadows to intensify the pigment. I'm using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with the L.A.Colors matte eyeshadow in French Vanilla. To pull the eye look together, I am taking that shade Forbidden on my Aloe E115 and blending it along my lower lash line. Now I'm adding a coat of the Smoke and Mirrors Lengthening Mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm using my E.L.F Small Smudge Brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Birthday Girl. And to finish off the eyes, I'm lining my waterline with the Flower Forever Wear eyeliner in Onyx. Moving on to blush, I'm applying the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in Toasted Almond using my E.L.F Essential Blush Brush. Today, I'm trying out the new Milani Highlighter Blending Brush. I picked this up from Walmart for $13. I also picked up the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold from Walmart as well for $8. I'll start off with the highlighter first. As you can see, it is immensely pigmented. It has a buttery soft texture. I love the highlighter. Moving on to the brush, it's a densely packed highlighting brush. I absolutely love how this brush applied my highlighter. I think it came out perfect. To complete my look, I'm applying the Nicka K lip color in the shade Red Oak. This is the completed look, loves. Let me give you another close-up. I absolutely love how this look came out, especially with the orange tones. They just meshed so well with the bronze and the blue on the lid. It's so pretty. And I've been wanting to use that Black Radiance blush forever. Same with this lip. And this look just looks very cohesive. It's very cute. right, loves. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I will have everything, all of the products that I used, as always, down below in the description. I would love it if you could drop a comment down below telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye, loves!